Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Amazon Smart Plug work with Alexa, a certificate for human device. So don't skip this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon. Then only the notification will come first for you when I upload a video. I have owned several different brands of smart plug and this one was by far the easiest to do setup. I plugged it into an outlet and within a few seconds the Alexa app on my phone recognized it as new device, promoted me to give it a name and I was all set. Awesomeness all around. This may seem obviously, but if you are already an Alexa user, this may be the best smart plug to get simply because it's integrated so easy with Alexa. It's really nice not to have to install another app on my phone for a different brands of smart plug and then link that app to Alexa. Eliminating that extra layer of complexity means one less thing that can go wrong. Like other smart plug, there is a single button on the side which allow you to turn the plug on and off manually. I have just a few complaints. First, the plug itself is very large, especially compared with other smart plug on the market. It's project over 2 out for the wall and is over 3 wide. Surely Amazon can make this smaller, please. Second, the plug is on the pricey side as smart plug go $25 is steep for a single plug. Then again, it's nice to keep everything within Alexa and hopefully Amazon will offer some deals on them as the time goes on. If you need a simple smart plug to work with your Amazon Alexa device, this plug is extremely inexpensive and easy to install. Install and setup took around 3 minutes to get up and running. So far I haven't had any issue. The only downside is that this plug will not integrate into your other smart service like Webmo. So if we're hoping to tie this into your larger automation environment, you are barking up the wrong tree. Okay, so you have an Echo or an Echo Plus and maybe some Echo Dots. Now what? Well, if you want Echo and Alexa to be able to do more than give you information or play music, then you are going to need some of these switches. Essentially, anything you plug into this can be automated. You just simply turn whatever it is on and plug it into one of these switches and then set the switch to be turned on and off with the voice command to almost an Echo device. You can in the way automated lights, fan, etc. Virtually anything that just need to turn on or off to do what it does. They are also competitively priced and since they are an Amazon product, you know it will work seamlessly within your Echo Alexa enabled home. Setting up the Amazon Smart Plug was a breeze. In less than 5 minutes, it was up and operational. The hardest part for me was trying to determine where to use it. Most of our lights and built in and I didn't know how any other appliance and then I wanted to turn on or off. Finally, I thought of our Hall of a night light that I like to turn on after dark. The light makes walking up and down the stair easier. Also, after we go to bed, I prefer that the light is turned off. So this was perfect for using with the smart plug. Let me address two complaints that I noticed in this review. Naming the plug. Some reviewers seemed to think that they were stuck using the default name. You can easily rename the plug using the Alexa app to whatever you want. Scanning the barcode. While I did not need to do this, there is a copy of the barcode included with the plug, so you can do not have unplug to scan. Only time will tell how long the plug will last, but for now it worked great. I don't think I would pay full price for one, but for $5 it was fun to try out. I previously purchased an Amazon plug and tried to save some money this round. Well, I started with a no-name brand Amazon recommendation and never got past the install for this plug app. What a waste of time effort. Next, I went with Wemo. I already have 4 of these devices working and I never got this smart plug it to work. It worked with HomeKit but nothing else. Belkin migrated to cloud and could not figure out how to get any of the 3 new smart plug. I spent over 3 hours troubling, shooting, wasting time, no customer service, no real help. Their recommendation was to return the plug to Best Buy. Fast forward to today, I got my second new Amazon smart plug and plugged them in and the Alexa app recognized the plug and within 30 seconds it was working. The moral of the story is if you are using Alexa, don't bother with another brand. There is a set of hanging lights in my bedroom that look very nice but don't have a built-in switch. It used to be a pain every night to yank out their cord from the socket when trying to get to sleep. So I was excited about installing this plug. I have an Alexa Echo in another room, so I figured I'd try this. The Alexa app on my iPhone immediately recognized the plug and connected to it under 30 seconds. So now that I have plugged the light into it, I can turn them off either by yelling to the next room to the Echo or by using my phone app to return them off. Both methods work great. One thing I don't expect that I had just flag for anyone interested is the plug makes an audible click sound when you turn it on or off using this app. Not something I expected when I bought it, but it actually is a nice touch to confirm the switch is on or off. Super easy, works great. This was my first smart plug and although it retailed for $25, it was great deal at 99 cents. For some reason there was a special deal where you can get on if you just started getting Alexa and it was on sale for 99 cents. I got one. Now my wife and I are hooked and we want to get more smart devices for the house like light switches and all sorts to stuff. It was a little bit difficult to set up at first because it need both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and for some reason it was not picking up Wi-Fi in the available outlet that I plugged into, but I moved it to different outlet that had a clear shot to the Wi-Fi and it set up like champ. Now I can just say Alexa turn off the fan. I sleep with the fan on for 10 years since I was a kid. So now I created a routine for good night and good morning to turn the fan on and off along with my weather and news. If you enjoy this video, hit a like button, and if you want to know any other product review, you can comment below or you can comment about this video and share this video to your friends because if they are buying this product they can get some reviews. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel. In my channel I am uploading only product review video. If you are interested in product review video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.